हल्ला मत कीजिए। यहाँ पे देखिए, लेट्स से आई एम राइटिंग कोड हियर, हैश इंक्लूड stdio.h int main Okay, so now let's say we have integer n, and let's say that name of towers are in character. So name of character towers are A, comma B, comma C. These are the three towers I have. Okay. Now let's say what I want to do is I want to call tower of Hanoi for n equal to, for example, n equal to 3. Okay, and I have called TOH with n, comma, I have to transfer from A to B using C. Okay. Now we have to implement the Tower of Hanoi problem. So void TOH and then integer n, comma, character A, comma, character B, comma, character C. Now we have to write the base case. If n equal to 1, then we have to do nothing. So what we have to do is we have to write here printf. Inside printf we are moving the disk, that is move %d to %d and /n, and from A, not D, we have to write %c to, let's say, C. So we have to move from A to B, that's all. Okay. Now from A to B we have to move. Now we have to return, that's all. If it is not n is not 1, then we have to call TOH on n minus 1. So because we have to move n minus 1 disk from A to C using B, and then we have to print what? Move from %C to %C, and let's say /n from A to C. This is what we are moving. No, A to B. This is what we are moving. Okay, and then we are calling back again for n minus 1, but this time the disk are available at what place? Disk are available at C, that is auxiliary, and we have to move it to B using A as auxiliary. That's what we are doing. Okay. Now we have left with defining what is A, B and C. So this is A is equal to, let's say, this A, B is equal to, let's say, this B, and C is equal to nothing but C. This is what we have, the name of the towers. Okay, and this is the code. I don't know whether it is running or not. Let's try it once. So gcc toh.c, and let's try to run it. So see this, total number of steps are 7 steps. First of all, we have moved from A to B. Now you can verify all the steps also from A to B, because it is not moving 2 disks at a time. What it is doing? It is moving the smallest disk on the B, that is destination, and then the middle one disk to C. Okay, why? Because on top of that the C is auxiliary right now, and on the C we are moving the smaller disk. So this is how, by using these 3 steps, A to B, A to C, then B to C, by using these 3 steps we have moved the first 2 disks from A to auxiliary tower. Okay, and now we have left only 1 disk at source tower, and my destination tower is still empty. So by using this next command, by this we have moved A to B, that is the largest disk is moved from source to destination, and then we have to move the then we have to move the 2 disks which are on auxiliary right now to the destination, okay, by using these 3 steps. And see, here I have written from to, and in the if condition I have not written, so I can write here from move from this to this. So now this, see, all the 7 steps are written. And let me show you that if I change the value of n to, let's say, 5, then the number of steps will be 61, and you can see that the number of steps will be so large that it will not come onto our screen also. See this, now the number of steps are very large. See, these are the number of steps. These are actually 61 steps. 31 steps. Now let's say if I write n equal to 100, then probably it will not even give the result, because it is taking so much time that it is not going to give the result instantly. See, it will print and print and print, and after some time probably our buffer of display will get full and it will halt, because the number of steps are very, very large. That is 2 to the power 100 minus 1, which is 1 trillion into 2 to the power 60. So it will not stop. Okay, so this we have to stop now. Okay, so if I write n equal to, let's say, 10, then probably it will stop after 2 to the power 10 is 1024 minus 1, 1023 steps. So you can see this. So after 1023 steps, because 1023 steps are written instantly, see, these are 1023 steps, they are written instantly, so it got stopped. Okay, so